Yummy caldereta for lunch. Special ribs with laman. Yan, request ni Kimpoy. Kain po tayo, nakakalinamnam niya. Special ribs, malaman. Yan. Konting lambot pa. Okay. Happy lunchtime. Bye.